Aliana Ong. And of course, there's setter Trixie Gohol and libero in Princess Rebustes. Okay mga kapuso, ito na po, laban na ng Mapua kontra San Beda. You guys have Martin Javier with Mika Reyes taking you through this match. And we start off with this rally. Again, Mapua has to be careful. This is a different San Beda team we're facing, or they are facing right now, especially in terms of confidence. Klein Abraham, second leading scorer ng San Beda against Letran, had 17 points. Kakalawan. Popped up. De La Cruz off speed and she drops it in. Good start para kay Roxy De La Cruz.
Long rally agad, Martin, pero pinakita ni De La Cruz na dapat hindi lang palo ng palo kung kaya makuha sa cut shot. And she get that.
Long rally agad. Alam mo nang mahaba yung laban natin. Diba?
For
dito
sure.
si Mike. Oh.
Nandito ka din eh.
Nakakadalawa ako. Dalawa pa lang. Sige.
Ako rin.
Oh, ikaw
Dalawa
rin.
pa din.
Kita mo. Siya rin, pero mas konti pa yung kinover niya ng partida. Kanya yung dalawang 5-setter matches.
First 2 games ko.
Oo, di ba?
Pa-welcome yun sa akin.
Yan din magtatapos yung eliminations. Sophie Kagalawan with the jump serve. Ito yung so far nagiging second option on offense ng San Beda in the past few games. Raisa Ricablanca, the lefty scorer, able to put it through right here. Raisa Ricablanca. 111 points for Ricablanca in her rookie season. Abraham overcooks it. So ito yung mga senaryo na kailangan i-take advantage ng Mapua. Kasi ayaw mong bigyan ng kumpiyansa itong San Beda. Gusto mo pag-abante kayo, tuloy-tuloy na.
And pareho palang lefty yung opposite spikers ng both teams.
Okay, laban natin. Ricablanca versus Abraham. Anacon. Drop ball.
Good save.
Buhay pa. Molina. Popped up by Basbas. 1-2 play for Trixie Gohol.
Smart play by Trixie Gohol. Alam niya na, hindi pa ready yung kanyang spikers dito.
Trixie Gohol with a dump. Na-deceive niya doon yung depensa nitong San Beda. So early 1-2 mula kay Gohol. Free ball agad. Mapua on the attack. Babiera activated right away.
Wow, what a powerful hit by Babiera. Good set by Gohol. Alam niya na walang sumabay na blocker from San Beda.
Apat ang abante ng Mapua. Napatay mo agad si Coach Edgar.
Kayo, para kung naman dumating ang bola sa inyo, naka-ready kayo. Advantage na advantage dito si
Sophie.
Ha? Maliit lang yung sa kanya. Tapos umili yung masyado ang set mo, hindi makadiskarte spiker mo. Ha? Okay. Ituloy mo yung coverage mo. Ando ka na eh. Ha? Go. Isipan niyo muna.
5-1. Ang abante dito ng Mapua Lady Cardinals. Coach Edgar, ang aga ng timeout na to, Mika.
Hindi niya pwedeng palagpasin talaga to na umabot pa ng double digit yung score. Kung kaya as early as now na ma-remind niya yung girls, gagawin niya talaga.
Again, kailangan niya ng isang magandang pasa to set up Angel right here. And that's exactly what happened.
Sumagot agad si Angel Habakon sa timeout ni Coach Edgar.
Alam mo, minsan ako yung napapagod para kay Angel. Yung 36 points niya, 105 attempts.
I know.
Anong klaseng icing naganap sa balikat niya pagkatapos?
Hindi kasi ako makaka-relate sa ganyan kasi as a middle spiker, hindi ganun kadami yung bola na pinapalo ko.
O, teka lang. Outside yon para kay Angel, puntos para sa Mapua. Sino ba yung setter mo ngayon? Sabihan na natin. Para next match nyo, ay baka 50. 15 quick ha.
Sa akin lahat ng bola.
Sa lahat. Bihira yan. Here's the track down. Difficult pass from Molina. Gohol activating Babiera again. pero masyadong malakas.
Medyo nanggigil si Babiera doon. Gustong-gusto niya talaga patayin yung bola.
Pero ikaw, Mika, ganito kaaga, pinupuntahan ka ng setter mo. Gaano kalaking angat yan sa kumpiyansa?
Actually, isang magandang game plan talaga yan na i-activate mo muna yung mga middle blockers, middle spikers mo para throughout the set, ikaw na yung babantayan. Lagi nang nakabantay sa'yo yung open spiker, yung middle blocker ng kalaban. Kasi alam na binibigyan ka palagi eh. So magandang tactic talaga yun.
Kumbaga, threat ka na kaagad. Pero San Beda right here with a kill block. By the way, these are two of the best blocking teams in the league. Number 2, itong Lady Cardinals. Number 3, itong Lady Red Spikers. That time, it was San Beda getting the better of that attack. Goal. Babiera, pinabawi. Pasok yan para kay Babs.
Nagsimula sa magandang receive, magandang set, at magandang timing ni Babiera.
So now, definitely, Babiera is a threat.
Yes.
Ayan na, na-establish na ni Gohol. Diretso yun kay Byong. Abacon, needed to adlib. Papunta kay Frian, off speed. Not gonna drop. Here's Abraham from the back. Popped up by De La Cruz. Rica Blanca. Single block by De La Cruz. Pero puntos yan para kay Rica Blanca. And we head to our first technical timeout on the other side. First report from Fatima Reyes.
Tayo ngayon sa Philol Eco Oil Center kung saan magaganap ang opening ceremony ng NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament at kikilalanin po natin ang mga players ng ating 10-member schools. I am Lizala Nierves for NCAA Season 99. It's official! Last weekend ay opisyal na ngang nagbukas ang Men and Women's Volleyball Tournament ng NCAA Season 99.
Masaya tayo no, na nagsisimula na ang NCAA Volleyball Men's and Women's. No? Especially this is one season away from the Centennial Celebration. So we're hoping no, na we encourage all the fans, especially yung mga supporters sa mga atleta natin, na suportahan natin ang NCAA. This will be a very exciting season as we are seeing no yung pag-prepare, yung excitement ng lahat ng mga atleta, lalo na ang 10 schools ng NCAA, and we're hoping with your support that we'll be able to achieve no milestones for the NCAA this season.
We are very happy, especially na ang NCAA dito na ginawa sa malaking venue, and also with the presence of our boys and girls participation, na kailangan i-prioritize din nila yung kanilang academics. Kasi sabi nga nila, ang paglalaro is only secondary. Number 1 is academics. I'm hopeful na matatapos yung liga na ito.
Tuloy-tuloy ang ating NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball action and dito lang sa GTV. Now for both of our teams, they have been preparing year-round and today is the conclusion of their season-long preparation. But the job is not yet done, especially for the Lady Cardinals who continue to aim for a Final Four spot. Naikwento nga sa akin ni Team Captain Tere Manalo na bitbit nila ngayong araw ang mataas na moral mula sa huli nilang laban. Gayon pa man kasama nito ang pressure na sana raw maipanalo nila ang laban ngayong araw ng straight sets lang. Dahil ika nga nila, hawak nila ang sarili nilang kapalaran. Dito naman sa panig ng Lady Red Spikers, kwento ni Team Captain Max Tayag na kahit pa disappointed dahil sa kanila na raw sana ang huli nilang laban, bitbit naman nila ngayon ang inspirasyon na mag-enjoy at ipanalo ang huli nilang laro at wala nang iba pa. Now, this is a battle of heavy pressure and happy mindset, and let's see how this game will turn out. Martin and Mika.
Fatima, maraming salamat. That's Max Tayag on your screens off the bench right now. Used to be one of the main gunners nitong San Beda in the previous seasons. But I want to talk about Mapua first. Kasi as we execute this play. They get rejected at the net. Hindi ka na-experience na nitong Mapua na mag-miss ng Final Four as Habakon scores right there. Na-miss yung Final Four ng 1 game lang. O nang tabla sila dun sa pumasok sa Final Four. Last season, they made it to the Final Four. Siyempre, ayaw mo nang bitawan yung streak.
Yes. Pero syempre, sabi nga nila yung pressure na dagdag nito na yung isang game na to, itong game na kailangan talaga nilang ipanalo. So, magiging challenge talaga for these girls kung paano nila i-handle, kung paano sila maglalaro in today's game.
And Frian Garcia is playing like a winner so far, scoring on the drop. At hindi lang yung nasa isip mo, kailangan namin manalo. Kailangan namin manalo in straight sets.
Totoo.
Diba?
Iniisip mo pa yun. Iniisipin mo na ngayong galaw mo, iisipin mo yung teammates mo, pero kailangan mo rin isipin na shucks, dapat 3 set lang to.
Kasi kung... At dapat hindi yun maka-apekto sa laro mo.
Totoo.
Diba?
Dapat ikaw rin sa sarili mo, kaya mong i-handle yung pressure na gano'n, na binibigay ng management, ng coaching staff.
Yeah. And what's tougher is that they're facing this renewed San Beda team na maganda yung tinatakbo in the past 2 games.
Kumbaga, walang mawawala sa kanila eh.
That's
Walang, nothing to lose, di ba?
That's right.
Kaya maglalaro lang sila. Mag-e-enjoy lang talaga sila.
Pero hindi nag-enjoy si Coach Edgar. Pangalawang timeout na niya to.
Kasi wala kayong binibigay na bola sa service. Ngayon naman, pag ikaw naman nakuha mo, pilitin mong maidala roon sa papalo. Hindi basta puro taas lang. Walang mangyayari doon. Hindi tayo makaka-atake. Ngayon, pangina pa kita sinasabihan, bakit ganyan ang ano natin? Ikaw kukuha lahat niyan. Huwag mo ibigay na kay Kangino. Pag nilaglagan kayo dyan, sa'yo lahat yan. Sa'yo lahat yan, ha?
Okay. Maagang may frustration na dito sa boses ni Coach Edgar. Kasi hindi nila maayos yung kanilang galawan sa loob ng court. They're not getting the first balls that they want, the executions that they want on the court. On top of that, naiisahan sila ng mga attackers ng Mapua.
Kasi sabi nga natin kanina, dapat wala rin talagang pressure. Kumbaga, dapat smooth sailing na yung paglalaro nila today.
Yeah. Rayan Cañete on your screens. This is the biggest what if of San Beda this season. Alam natin yung kalibre ni Rayan Cañete. You know, she used to be one of the best scorers in the league. When she was playing with San Sebastian, yun nga lang, nagka-hand injury siya. Good response of the timeout mula sa Lady Red Spikers. Pinawi agad ni Rica Blanca.
Rica Blanca targeting the hands of the blockers. Hindi rin masyado naka-establish yung kamay. Kaya mabilis lang na tumatalsik yung bola.
At itong si Raisa Rica Blanca. At yan, simula pa lang ng season natin, siya na talaga as a rookie.
Yes.
Diba?
Parang hindi rookie maglaro.
Oo. Veterano na. And speaking of veterans, Roxy De La Cruz getting that through the blockers.
Roxy with that elevation. Parang spring yung talon niya kanina. Ang gaan.
Oh. Pero ang sabi niya, kasi yung approach niya daw, hindi yun yung usual Spikers
yes,
approach.
medyo, oo nga. Napapansin ko nga yun nung una ko siyang napanood. Pero very effective naman.
Oo, effective. Kaya yung tinanong kung papalitan mo pa yan, ayusin mo. Sabi niya, hindi na lang, baka mas mahirapan pa ako.
Maninibago pa, ano?
Maninibago pa. And here's Mapua De La Cruz. Went for the adjustment. Rica Blanca again. She's been hardly stopped here in the opening set.
Yes, totoo yan, Martin. Nahihirapan na ang San Beda na pigilan ang lefty na si Rica Blanca.
And Raisa Rica Blanca, 111 points, almost 14 points per match. That's her average in a rookie season. At tuloy-tuloy ang buenas ng Mapua Lady Cardinals, Frian Garcia. With a service ace, we head to our second technical timeout. A 9-point lead opened up by Mapua. Good day, sports fans. This is Game On, the very first sports podcast of GMA. Brought to you by GMA Regional TV and Synergy and GMA Digilab. My name is Martin Javier.
Half minute left. Shot clock is down to 4. Manalini. Kaboom!
Let's talk about anything and everything about sports. I am Coach Hammer Martin Antonio.
Ang pinaka-key to be a very good shooter, to be able to score, is repetition.
Makakasama din natin ang inyong mga iniidolo o paboritong atleta mula rito sa bagong-bagong opisina ng GMA Integrated News. Ako naman po si Anton Rojas.
Unang laban sa Seniors Division at grabe, nag-enjoy tayo doon dahil napakainit ng laban ni Borromeo at Canyon.
Game on!
There you go, mga kapuso. You guys can also find us on GMA News and GMA Sports Facebook page and YouTube channel. You can also find us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and on Google. All right, very first episode is here. Finally.
Yep. After a long percolating time.
Yeah.
Haba.
Almost a year. Almost a year of waiting.
Finally.
Okay, talagang binuking natin. Matagal tayo naghintay dito. But we're very happy that Game On is finally here on the pod. If you guys don't know, ito po yung extension no in-between show natin during the NCAA season. Volleyball, basketball, we do a mini segment there called Game On. Kinakausap namin yung ibang athletes and we talk about different sports topics. But obviously, we only had limited time. Or on the show, on the TV show, we have limited time.
Keep up with non-stop in-court action with GMA Sports. Catch the latest sports news here and round the globe.
Back to our coverage. There you go. 16-7 in favor of the Mapua Lady Cardinals. 9-point lead. Coach Aying Esteban on your screens on a 7-1 run so far. At yun yung gustong makita ni Coach Aying mula sa kanya mga players dito. Mika, in your collegiate playing days, hindi mo na experience yung must-win situation para lang makapasok sa Final Four. Kasi
meron.
Meron ba?
Meron talaga. Sobrang...
Kasi parang pagkatapos sa elimination, nandun na kayo eh. Naghihintay na lang kayo eh. Okay.
I think nangyari yun twice. Once or twice lang. Na waiting lang kami.
Okay. Once or twice. Tapos, ilang years siya sa college? 5. 3 beses hindi. This is a good attempt by Nicola. Hindi, kung mabigyan ka ng ganitong klaseng sitwasyon na hinaharap ngayon ng Mapua, how do you not let it affect your game? Kasi syempre, dami nang iniisip ganyan. Paano ka nakaka-focus dun sa laro mo?
To be honest, may times talaga na it gets to my head, kumbaga na iniisip ko lang yun yung sa gabi na iniisip ko.
Talaga?
Parang kailangan ko mag-perform para makuha yung panalo na to. Kumbaga, pinipressure ko yung sarili ko. Para pagdating ng araw, ng game day na yun, sanay na ako. Medyo weird lang yung approach ko, pero tingin ko parang gusto ko nang ma-numb yung sarili ko sa pressure na yun, para ready ako.
Actually, that's a good way to do it. Diba? Para masanay ka dun sa feeling na yun.
Yes.
Pagdating mo sa court, lalaruin mo lang yung mga training mo.
Sisimulan ko sa sarili ko pa lang. Ako na yung magpe-pressure, ako na yung mag-self-talk ako, kumbaga.
Ang mahirap lang dun, as we see that attack, Mapua is on the roll right now, by the way. It's a 10-point lead for them. Playing with that sense of urgency that we're looking for mula sa kanila. Ang mahirap lang doon, baka lang hindi ka makatulog.
Totoo. Diba? Yun naman yung doon.
Puyat ka.
Yung kapalit.
Hindi ka makatulog. Nurse ka natulog. Mga 3 na.
Kakaisip.
Nisip ko yung game eh. Tapos yung sa game, puyat ka.
So ilang beses ko rin, may trial and error yan. Sige, next time na mangyari yung gantong situation, okay, ibahin ko naman yung approach ko. Diba?
Alam mo na. Ayan. Mapua doubling up on San Beda here in the first set. Abacon. Brasong-braso yun mula kay Angel. De La Cruz with the counter. Binalik. Joust. Going to the side of San Beda. Rebustes. Masyadong malapit sa net. Garcia. They go back to Roxy, who catches the line.
Yung coverage ng Mapua dito, sobrang effective. They were able to get a point from a lot of transition plays. Na kahit na kukuha na sa net defense, nakakuha pa rin sila ng magandang play pagbalik.
Early entry mula kay Max Tayag. Usually second set, third set na siya pinapasok ni Coach Edgar. At pinapasok lang siya para i-serve. Wow, what a hit.
I know. Sobrang lakas ng palo ni Angel Habacon dito. Targeting down the line.
Yep. Kung tutusin, malapit na yun sa net. Pero sakto yung height para sa kanya.
Pinaltok niya lang eh.
Here's Navarro. A good save from Rebustes. Rica Blanca from behind. Molina over to Angel. Down the line again for Habacon.
Kanina pa nakikita ni Angel Habacon. Nabutas yung zone 1.
This time it's a softer hit but still effective for Angel. Manarang comes in. Secondary setter ni Coach Aying, pumasok na para sa kanya. Iibahin niya yung diskarte sa court. Gohol will take a breather first. Dahil umuunti-unti na itong San Beda. Eri Navarro to start. Manarang. De La Cruz. And Roxy is denied. That's another kill block for San Beda. Coach Aying ang tumawag ng timeout dito.
Ay, nawawala na naman tayo sa focus natin eh. Ano bang kailangan natin gawin? Roxy, kailangan basagin ba yung block? Hindi. Gawa ng paraan. Diba? Problema natin yung receive natin. Hindi tayo makapag-establish ng receive. Dapat ito, atake tayo. Dapat pumuntos agad tayo dito. Para mag-rotate lang ng mabilis. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Sabi nga ni Coach Aying na kailangan ba basagin yung blockers? Sabi niya yun kay Roxy De La Cruz. Kasi nga ilang beses na rin siyang nabablock dito ng San Beda. Yeah. And siguro kailangan niya rin lagyan ng variation yung atake niya. Kasi kanina naman nakakuha siya ng punto sa drop ball, sa soft touch.
So tignan natin kung mag-a-adjust dito si De La Cruz. But they need a good first ball. They get it right there. Pero bumalik sa side nila. They go to Roxy. Angled hit this time. That's the adjustment Coach Aying was talking about. Manarang. Mula naman sa likod. Rica Blanca taking care of that single block.
Rica Blanca with that point. Na kahit nasa back row attack, ang laki pa rin ng efficiency ng kanyang atake.
Rinig natin yung impact sa bola. No? Ang lutong nung atake na yun ni Rica Blanca. De La Cruz. Oh, that's a nice serve. And a service ace from Super Roxy De La Cruz.
Good target by Roxy De La Cruz.
Mapua dominating San Beda so far. Tapos lang to. I'm not sure if I can say that's something they can afford. Dahil itong San Beda, nung last match, set number 4, ang hinabol nila against Letran, naka 10 puntos. It was 21-9, 10 sunod-sunod na puntos.
Sabi nga nila, hanggang hindi pa 25 yan, hindi pa tapos yung set.
Bawal mo bigyan ng tsansa. Ito na, Angel Habacon is able to swing away again. 14-21 here in the opening set. Let's see what San Beda can do. To inch closer, Rica Blanca, who's been effective from that spot. Habacon counters and catches the line.
Another effective spot for Angel Habacon. Yung zone 1 talaga, kanina niya pa pinapataya ng bola. Medyo nahihirapan na kanilang setters dito. Kanina si Gohol, hindi lang nasasarado ng maayos yung zone 1.
Abraham with the help of the net, scoring the ace. This is now 4 straight points for San Pedro University.
Diyan wala man lang ako. Akuhin nyo naman. Okay, nasan yung bola? Saan nanggagaling? Tapatan nyo lang, kunin lang dahan-dahan. Hindi naman ganoon kalakas yung sineserve. Bakit namamatay? Ibig sabihin may problema yung basa natin. Naninigas tayo doon sa depensa. Gumalaw lang kayo, harangan nyo lang muna, tsaka nyo receive ng maayos.
Coach Aying reminding the girls na ang kanina na nila yung bola. Kasi nga, nagtitinginan na sila ngayon and now is not the time para magtinginan, maghilihan, kumbaga.
Oo. Mag-ano?
Hilihan.
Hilihan.
Ang lalim ba?
First time ko marinig yun.
Sorry, bola Kenya.
Ayun, maghilihan. Ayan. Pero tama. And that's not what he wanted. Too strong from Frian Garcia. This is now an 8-2 run for San Beda here. Kaya sinabi ko kanina, hindi mo afford talaga magkamali against San Beda. Kasi pag nakuha nila yung groove nila,
totoo.
Tuloy-tuloy. Overpass! Angel puts it down pero
sayang. Free ball na yun for San Beda. Medyo nanggigil lang ng konti si Angel doon.
So 22-17. That ends the 5-0 run of San Beda. This is Esteban coming in for the first time. That's a good serve. Diretso yun kay Byong. Angel rises. And Angel scores again. 7 points now for Angel Habacon.
Again, Angel targeting the down the line. Hirap pa rin talaga sila na i-close.
Nandun na yung coverage.
Yes.
Pero too much power yan.
And yung blocker kasi ni Angel, medyo advantage siya, kumbaga.
So Angel though commits the service error. And now Mapua is just 2 points away from taking set 1. Balik sa laban kanina, itong si Trixie Gohol after a short rest. Ooh! Counter service error. So, bubuksan ulit yung pintuan para sa San Beda. And we'll start itong si Jade De La Cruz. That's a service ace. Wow! San Beda with a surge.
Napatayo na si Coach Aying dito.
That was very close. De La Cruz able to catch the line. Mapua thought it was gonna go out. Ito ulit yung serve. This time it is picked up, pero mahirap yung first ball. Garcia with the push. Return to their side. Oh! Not the best connection between Gohol and Ong. So dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng San Beda.
Kanina ko pa rin hinahanap, Martin, yung connection ni Ong at Gohol dito.
Yeah. At maganda yung connection nila against LPU. 16 points ang pinuntos ni Ong. Trixie, Rica Blanca, the push. Easy pop-up. Tayag, pinalik ni Ong. Here's a chance ball for Mapua. Rica Blanca again. Dug up. But that's a point for Rica Blanca. And that will put Mapua at set point.
Much needed point for Mapua. Kailangan talaga nila ma-stop yung service ni Jade dito.
24-21. Kasi pinahirapan talaga sila ni De La Cruz. Now Nats Verses off the bench will serve for Coach Aying. Verses is also a rookie. Mula naman sa Pampanga. Pero napakita niya rin may scoring din siya. Malakas din humataw.
Iba na yung mga bagets talaga ngayon.
Bagets, no? Sabi naman sa bagets yan. Bagets pa naman tayo.
Sa bagay. Grabe yung mga rookies.
Mga rookies. That's a nice save. Tayag! Saved!
Good
What a save by De La Cruz! San Beda sets it up. Back row hit. Here comes Mapua. Rica Blanca puts it down.
And it all started with that incredible save by De La Cruz. Grabe yung habol niya ng bola dito. Napatayo ka doon, Martin.
Napatayo ka. One-handed save. Papunta na sa gilid. Keeping the rally alive. And Mapua scores the final point of the opening set. Pagbalik po natin. Himayin natin yung nangyari dito.